If you ever struck in any deserted island or any place where there is no mobile, no Wi-Fi, you are in isolation, no one is to hear and tell or converse anything. If not, you are not going through the journey of Robinson Crusoe. Today we are going to understand the psychology and story of Robinson Crusoe. That is the most famous novel written by Daniel Defoe in 1970. It is an adventurous novel. So, before delaying, we are going to understand the story of Robinson Crusoe. Welcome again to my channel. Today we are going to deal with the journey and the determination of a person. So, first of all, meet Robinson Crusoe, a boy who is obsessed with surfing. Ignoring the parents' advice, he went on surfing and faced a series of disasters. And at last, because of a shipwreck, he found himself in a deserted island. He is the only one who is surviving at this ship. And he has some kind of determination so that he become a whole society in itself. He grow his own crops. He create his own building. He creates his own furniture, even hut. He hunts animals for survival too. He become all kind of professional to survive in that island. He doesn't have anyone to speak out. So he tries to converse with himself. He become a tool maker too. By the scratches of that sheep, he creates some tools which is needful to him. He create utensils for his food. He create his garments too. And survived 28 years in that deserted island. He is living happily like a king in that place, without anyone, without any society. This shows how determined he is. He doesn't have any mobile phone or Wi-Fi or any kind of network with him. But his main aim is to survive only. One day, he is very terrified because he finds some footprints. And in that time, he realizes that he is not alone on that island. He encounters with cannibals and rescued a person whom he gave the name Friday and treat him like his own slave. That shows his colonial mindset. He teaches him all kind of things, even to talk, and tries to make his own society. So, in this way, you find that Robinson is a true fellow who is adventurous as well as he is a person who belongs to that kind of community who doesn't need any kind of society. He is a whole society in himself. By this novel, actually, Daniel Defoe tries to mirror the condition of society. He put a question in front of us. Do we need society or society need us? If Robinson survived 28 years without anyone, why we not? Today, this story matters because as we faced lockdown, isolation, number of things at that same time, where we become isolated, solely, lonely, and we have to survive. So, survival is a universal fact, and all of us should struggle for survival only. Yes, we are the part of society, but according to this novel, society is not everything. If we wish, if we determine, we can create our own ambience. We can create our own society, our own culture. And the tendency of dependency is for those who who want to rely on another person. But a person who is determined, who has some kind of self decision, he will become everything. He can do his all work by himself, and he is the whole society. This is the main thought of this adventurous story. This also shows the character of Robinson Crusoe, who tried to become warrior again and again and prove himself. I hope you can understand this story very well. If you like this story, hit like, share and comment. Thank you.